Hi and welcome to the Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. If you're in the creative industry and looking to claim creative industries tax relief, this video is for you. Today, we'll walk you through the key steps to ensure your claim is successful and avoid common mistakes when submitting your tax return. If your company is involved in film, TV, animation, video games, theater, orchestras, or museum exhibitions, you may be eligible for creative industries tax relief. But to successfully claim, you must follow specific HMRC guidelines which are: include the claim in your company tax return, CT 600. Complete an additional information form either before submitting your CT 600 or on the same day. Remember, HMRC cannot process your claim without both. From April 2025, an additional step will be required. You'll need to submit a CT 600p supplementary page along with your tax return. Timing is everything when it comes to tax relief. You must submit or amend your claim within 2 years from the end of your accounting period. If your accounting period is longer than 18 months, you must also ensure your claim is made within 42 months from the start of the period. One key point: you cannot amend an additional information form after submitting it. If changes are needed, you must submit a new form. To avoid delays, ensure your additional information form includes production name, tax calculations, including deductions and credits, total qualifying costs, breakdown of core and non-core costs, both in the UK and abroad. In addition, you may need to provide a British Film Institute (BFI) certificate if you're claiming certified reliefs, an expenditure redemption calculation for films, TV, or video game credits to speed up payment. Don't forget to include your bank details on your CT 600. If you're unsure about your eligibility or need help with tax calculations, our expert team at Naseems Accountants is here to help. Call us at 01217714161 or visit www.naseems.co.uk today for tailored advice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert financial insights.